Shanmuganathan, myself Amuta Shanmuganathan, teaching Shet Vidya Mandir English High School for Standard 3rd. Subject English Standard 3rd. Topic The Bremen Town Musician. 7. The Bremen Town Musicians. Once there was a donkey who had worked long and hard for his master. Now he had grown weak and could not do much work. So his master began to treat him unkindly. He even began to starve the donkey. He wanted to save the money he spent on the donkey's food. In the end, the poor donkey left the house. He believed he still had a good, strong singing voice. So he decided to go to Bremen town and earn his living as a town musician. Once there was a donkey who was working very hard for his master. But he grew old, he treated him very badly and kept starving. Starving means not giving food, so it decided to leave and go to Bremen town. And there it will get enough money as a musician. Bremen means a town in Germany. On the way, he met an old dog. He too had been kicked out of his house by a cruel master. The dog was afraid. "How will I earn my bread?" he said. "Why, you have a voice as good as mine," said the donkey. "Let us both go to the Bremen and sing for the townspeople. We shall be well paid there." So the two companions went on together. Suddenly, they heard a cat mewing sadly with tears in his voice. "Why are you crying?" they asked. "Can I be happy knowing that my mistress is going to drown me? I am old and would only like to sit by the fire and sleep. I cannot catch mice as I did before, so my mistress does not need me anymore. Where am I to go? Come with us to Bremen. You have a sweet voice and you know night music. You too can be a town musician," said the donkey. On the way, he saw a dog. He also facing the same condition like him. So the donkey said, "Let us both go to Bremen and sing for the town people." So they together went to Bremen town. On the way, again they heard the voice of the cat crying. Then they asked the cat, "Why are you crying?" The cat said, "My mistress is going to drown me." Drown means killing animals in submerged water. Cat became old. It cannot catch mice. So the mistress of the cat no need of it. So the cat is very sad and said to the donkey, "Where am I to go?" Donkey said, "Come with us to Bremen town. You have a good voice. Let us entertain the Bremen town's people together." Now the three travelled together for some time, till they came upon a farmyard. There they heard a cock's loud wailing. When they made enquiries, the cock told them, "My mistress is preparing a feast for her guest. She has told the cook to kill me for the feast. I am so frightened." So the donkey invited the cock too to join the band of musicians. Then the three together travelled for Bremen town. On the way, near the farmyard, they heard the wailing sound of cock. Wailing means a long high cry of pain or sadness. Then they asked the cock. The cock said that his mistress is preparing feast for his guests. So she told the cook to kill the cock for the feast. The donkey said, "You too can join with us for the band of musicians." Cock also joined with them and they started together travel to the Bremen town.